here.
Welcome to
Then
Adapted
let's
Mind,
take it away.
where we make
The
learning
Alpha
fun.
Blocks
Before we get
alphabet
started,
song.
who do we have with us today?
A. Where's B?
Awesome. Now this exercise is best to go through with your child if they're nearby. Do you think you can go get them?
Again, from the top. A, B.
A bee? Where? I can't see a bee.
Not a B. A B.
Oh, I see.
Once again. A, B,
C.
D. Of course I can see D. He's there.
No, C and D. That's us. See?
E.
And again.
A,
B,
C.
D. E. E. E.
Sorry, I forgot.
Great.
Don't
Just let me know when you're ready.
D will do something to help.
Fantastic. Great to have you both here. Let me show you how we will learn
A
together.
dot.
A, B,
C.
D. E.
D. Amazing. H.
At Adapted Mind, monsters teach you math.
I'm so
From
incredible.
counting
I'm so
to
important.
algebra,
I'm the
we
most
make math
intelligent
visual and fun.
tasty.
This is counting.
Well,
Oh, hi there. How many eyes do I have?
H.
I'm a little teapot short and fine.
H.
Jaybird, I'm a jolly J.
K. And no.
Nice work. I knew I could count on you. You made your first friend. And each time you answer a question, we automatically adjust the difficulty to your level. Let me show you something else cool. Even if you know the answer, try getting this one wrong. I promise I'm not crazy.
T. Anyone?
3.
Terribly sorry, Dot. Who's next? You. No, I've just done mine. It must be
A teacher video explains the problem you missed. Take it away. We start with the bigger number, 5, and count on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Thanks, Teach. Before starting your free trial, make your very own monster. Oh my, that is one interesting monster you've made.
No
I
time
love
to
it.
explain now.
The ideal
The
usage
song
is
must
3
go
days a week
on.
for just 20 minutes each. Screen time is useful, but important to limit. So we designed AdaptedMind so your kid can get in, learn, and get out. Like literally, get outside or do something creative. And did you know that AdaptedMind has helped students solve over 400 million math problems? We know you need to see the results for yourself. You can try AdaptedMind free for your first 30 days with no
K.
commitment.
N.
So, let's get started. Parent, what's your email address?
T. U. V.
X.
Y.
Z. And Z.